In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fact section on your WordPress website. When I say fact section, I mean frequently asked questions. So I'm going to show you how to add it to your website. I'm doing this help from Ralph Creative Agency. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step on how to add frequently asked questions on your WordPress website. Keep watching. Okay guys, welcome back. Like I said, I'll show you how to add frequently asked questions on your WordPress website. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is to log into your WordPress dashboard like mine here. Kindly go to plugins, then click on add new to add a new plugin. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works. Alright, now before I install the plugin, let me show you how it is, how it looks like. Okay, from this blog, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so if I scroll down like this, so this is what I mean by frequently asked questions on your website. If I click here, you see a drop down. If I click this one, you see a drop down. So I will show you how to add this right now. Alright, so go to your dashboard and click on plugins, then click on add new, then come over here and search for easy accordion. Search for easy accordion. Easy accordion. Okay, this one here is loading. So this is the plugin. The reason why it is active is that I have it on my website. Okay, but in case you don't have it, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see install now. Then after the installation, you click on activate. Alright, now that I have it, let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'll scroll down here, look at it. So I'll click on add new. I'll open it in a new tab. It's loading right here. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, most important, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so here is the title of my fact section. Alright, so let me just use test for example. Okay, so here that says add new item. So this we have to enter your question and you enter your answer here. Okay, so I can ask what is easy accordion. Alright, then come over here and answer the question. Okay, I'll say it is a plugin used in adding frequently asked question. Good. So if you want to add another one, I'll click on add item. So let me just copy this one and put it over here. Okay, so that I don't need to enter it again. I'll copy the same answer, then put it here. Alright, so after that, I'll now click on publish. Come down here and click on publish. Okay, after publishing it, I'm going to show you one thing. For you to show this fact section on your blog post or on any page, I'm going to show you how to add it. Alright, so I'll scroll down. We see a short code here, this short code. So I'll click here to copy it. Okay, now I've copied the short code. If I want to show it on any page, I will show you how to do that. Then I'll go to pages, then click on add new. I'll open it in the new tab. It's opening right now. Let's give it a Y. Okay. We'll also give it test as a name, or test fac. Okay. So here I'll change it to test. Then I'll now paste it. Ctrl V, or you right click and click on paste. Okay. Then you do what you publish. Alright. You click on publish, then it will show. Okay, but let me preview this. Let me save as draft first, because I don't want to publish this page. Alright, but let me save as draft, then preview it so that you will see how it is. Okay, please, if you haven't subscribed to Ralph Creative Agency channel, make sure you subscribe right now by hitting on the subscribe button and turn the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Okay, alright, so I'll click on preview. The preview is going to load right now. Alright, can you see? This is the question. So this is how it works. If I click here, you see the answer. If I click this one, you see the answer. Alright, so this is how to add fact section on your website. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Most important, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next tutorial. Goodbye.